time the ball run? Oh man.
I don't even know how that happened.
Man, that's man, that's the first.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I've never seen it right there before.
The only thing I'm thinking of, I coached high school baseball and maybe a parent got pissed off and put it
Man, that's definitely a first, bro.
because I was like, park in a garage at home. Unless my wife did it, which that's costing her money.
Right? Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm like,
All right, so I guess I just add that onto my list of stuff that's
yeah, first time for everything.
yeah.
Then I look and I'm like, oh shit, my jack's at work because I work construction. I'm like, my floor jack's at damn work. I'm like, well, probably.
Yep, that's a wow. All right.
Yeah. When I saw that, I was like, I'm not sure how that happened.
Yeah, that's
That angle too. It's one thing if it was like, you hit some debris.
Right.
But like there, I'm like,
yeah, that's definitely a wow, bro. Alright. I'm not even trying to figure it out, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sitting up here thinking now, like, it's, yeah. First time for everything. Don't disturb this groove. All right, brother. You have a good one, man. And no problem.
You give me a sign anything?
Nah, you good. Matter of fact, I need to check up. Did I grab my phone? Yeah, let me take a photo real fast. That's all I need.